in your much younger days where things were not in your hand. Something happened in your life, and every time you think of those moments, it brings in a lot of shame. Do you know how it is scarring that person? And at that moment of pain, you know what comes in? Shame. Okay? Now I went through something in my life, and that brought me a lot of pain. Maybe some of you may have felt abused verbally or physically, okay? Or things may have happened in your life that really shattered you. And in that moment entered shame. And you know what shame did? Shame became my friend. And now what happened? The shame became my shadow. Now, wherever I go, this shame came to me like a friend. Okay? But can I tell you, shame is not your friend. Shame is not your friend. Because I told you, every time I would raise my hand, I would feel ashamed, right? So next time when there was an elocution competition, and I said, okay, I'm going to participate in this. And guess what happened? The shame came in front and said, hey, don't do it. Because what if you make a mistake again, right? Next time, that became my limitation. I wanted to move ahead, but that shame became my limitation. Next time, I wanted to dress up well and go somewhere. Shame came in front. And I immediately went in my hiding. The reason why I'm sharing this with you is what I went through. I don't want any one of you to go through it. Girls, boys, shame is not your friend. And the more you allow it to walk with you, the more it will not let you move in front. Okay? I want to go there. This. So how do I get rid of this shame? Today is going to happen, okay? How do I get rid of this shame? Because now I realize he's not my friend. And the more I hide, the more powerful it gets. There's this hurt inside me. And the more I hide, the more power it is getting. Hey, don't let it tell you lies that you cannot do it. Don't let it tell you that you will be a failure in sports. Don't let it tell you that you will be a buddhu, you are stupid. You must have heard such words. Sometimes, it's very hurting because it's coming from our near and dear ones, from our family members, where sometimes, there's sibling comparison. And they tell you that, oh, your elder brother was so good, but tera to kuch nahi hoga. And who comes? Shame. But I want to tell you today that shame is a liar. He is not your friend. I want to remind you that you are born for greatness.